Iran's new light transport aircraft Simorgh, designed and developed by experts at the Iran Aircraft Manufacturing Industrial Company, HESA, has successfully conducted a test flight after it underwent various checks to receive a type certificate. The turboprop military transport aircraft, named after a benevolent bird in Persian mythology and literature, took the test on Wednesday during the 12th edition of the Iran International Aerospace Exhibition, also known as Iran Airshow 2024, held on Kish Island on the northeast of the Persian Gulf. This aircraft has been designed, developed, and manufactured in compliance with international standards and regulations by the Ministry of Defense and domestic, knowledge-based firms. It was unveiled and flown at this exhibition, Iranian Defense Minister Brigadier General Amir Nasserzadeh stated. He pointed to advances made in Iran's defense and military spheres, saying that major strides in the aviation industry have been taken over the past few years, and the Islamic Republic can now produce a wide range of sophisticated military hardware. The Iranian defense chief went on to note that his country has attained self-sufficiency in the aviation industry, emphasizing that Western sanctions have not managed to undermine our willpower and capabilities. For his part, Secretary of the Supreme Economic Coordination Council between heads of the three branches of the Iranian government, Mohsen Rezai, stressed the importance of military and defense development in order to maintain and strengthen national independence and freedom through reliance on domestic capabilities. America and Israel are against the independence of countries, and everyone must be cautious against their conspiracies, Rezai pointed out. Iranian military experts and engineers have in recent years made remarkable breakthroughs in manufacturing a broad range of indigenous equipment, making the armed forces self-sufficient. Iranian officials have repeatedly underscored that the country will not hesitate to strengthen its military capabilities, including its missile power, which are entirely meant for defense, and that Iran's defense capabilities will never be subject to negotiation. Leader of the Islamic Revolution Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei has repeatedly called for efforts to maintain and expand Iran's defense capabilities.